Right, we're going to make a little bowl. Do people call it a yoghurt bowl? I don't know, but we're making one because I fancy one. So I'm using this, 5%. The only reason I got 5% is because someone... Oh, don't scare me. Someone was like, the other percent... I don't know, this one would basically taste better. So we're going to put a good old, like, half the tub. Is that all right? I don't care, mate. I'm not really doing it because it's healthy. I'm just doing it because I fancy it. I mean, that is better. That is better. So, I'm going to do some of that. And then we're going to do some granola. Is this granola? Yeah, so this is the strawberry one. I'm going to pop a bit of that. Then you can't really see, can you? Because, fucking honestly, this selfie light. I'm going to shoot you. I just can't be bothered. Anyway. Sorry, someone's just texted me. Then we're going to do some banana because I really fancied a bit of banana. I'm going to do a whole banana. Is that all right? Again, actually, don't know why I'm asking. Right. That's that. See it so far? What is my phone doing? I don't care. Oh, no. Anyway, so get that over there. And then I got this box from Chamoy, guys. It's actually got really, like, all these chocolate stuff in. I'm not joking you, by the way. If you don't know these, get to know. Literally, my favourite. And then they did actually give me some little sweetie things, but the chocolate things are my favourite. However, anyway, this is what we're going to use, what was in it. I thought, ooh, go on then. So, crisp, pure, natural, sweet, freeze-dried strawberries. If I can open them. Should we just taste one first? Hail to the yeah. Right, and then some honey, I guess. Should we? Put honey all over it? I mean, this looks actually, I'm actually proud of myself. Let me show you. That actually looks banging. Like, This is where I should have filmed it. Natural light. There's me in the corner with that shitty little selfie light. Anyway, this is it. So, got a bit of granola, a bit of banana. Right, bit of strawberry, I think, this time. Why didn't I eat like this more? It is actually a fabulous breakfast. Let's get it all on there. That bit too much. I thought it was 10 out of 10. But I'm not lying. I'm definitely doing this again. That is good. Right, I'm going to finish that off. Whatever you're doing, have a good day. If you haven't eaten something, eat something. Something is better than nothing. Look at, I eat all sorts. Sometimes healthy, sometimes not. It is what it is. Right, have a good day.